Hi, I'm Charlie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change this Zoflora box into this cute little frog. It's a really easy craft for kids of all ages, so keep watching. For this craft you'll need a Zoflora box, some googly eyes, some scissors and glue, some sellotape, some markers and some different coloured green paper. Come on then, let's stick those on. Starting to look like a fox, Evie. And do his paws. We have just finished making animals out of Zoflora boxes. Let's have a look at yours, Evie. And what have you made?
A fox.
A fox. And I have made a lion or a tiger and a frog. You can make all sorts of animals out of a Zoflora box. I hope you enjoyed this video.
And hunt a sheep.